In this video I'm going to be working through question 16 from this paper 4. It's paper 4 for GCSE Higher Mathematics 2011. So I'll work through the question 16, explaining how to do the question and making other hopefully useful comments as well, including the marks awarded for that particular question. Should you like your own copy of this exam paper, along with this paper 3 as well, and the DVDs where I go through all the questions in detail, including the marks awarded, then you can get full details from mathstutor.biz or mathsdvds.co.uk. GCSE Higher exam paper from 2011, paper 4, it's question 16. In a sale, a DVD has been reduced by 10%. If the sale price is £6.03, find the pre-sale price. So what was it before the sale? Now the most common mistake is to find 10% of that and add it on to that to try and make it go back to what it was. And if you do that, you'll get it wrong. Let's just do it wrong, shall we? 10% of that, which you can do numerous ways. One way is to appreciate you can write it as a decimal and then type it into the calculator. So here we go, 0.10 multiplied by 6.03, so that comes out as 0.603, which is 60 pence and a bit, so we forget the bit. So we take the £6.03 and add on this 60 pence, and that will be the answer. And believe you me, it's wrong. That will not work. You've got to approach this in a completely different way. One way is to think about 10% and the decimal value of 0.10. We don't have to put the O in, but we'll do it just to make it look like 10%. If you multiply by that, it will work out 10%. If you multiply by that, it does two jobs. It works out 10% and subtracts it at the same time. So, okay, let's just try that for a minute. Let's just do it like that. £6.03 multiplied by 1.10. It gets me that answer straight away. 6.663, which I ignored. So that will work out 10% and add it on. It will do that. However, if you multiply by this, it will work out 10% and take it off. So how can I use that? Well, let's call the pre-sale price X. So if I multiply the pre-sale price by this scale factor, as I call it, that works out to come to the price after the sale. Pre-sale price multiplied by the factor that reduces by 10% ends up as that. Therefore, the pre-sale price is that. £6.03 divided by 0.90. We don't have to put the O in, but I will. Lastly, appreciate that that's money, so I do need to put a naught in there. That is the way I would do it. And that's going to be worth 2 marks, 3 marks, 3 marks. So get it right, you'll get 3 marks. Get it wrong, you'll get a mark or 2 for your working out. Another way of doing this, not that you need another way, but we're revising, practicing things, is to think of it like this. This is the price after 10% has been taken off of it. So if we consider the original price as being 100%, this is in fact 90% of the original price. Therefore 100%, taking it back to the original price, would be that divided by 90% multiplied by 100%. And if you change these to decimals, you get exactly the same as I got there. 6.03 divided by 0.9 multiplied by 1.00. So it is in fact the same thing. But it's just a different way of thinking about it.